Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive in Canberra, Sydney. I've got this Macan V6 turbo here. This is the actual Macan S. So today we're doing the actual spark plugs on this car here. So just a quick rundown so you see what we're doing. We have to remove a few things off on this side here. Come across here. Same thing, we've got to remove a few things, brackets off and things like that. And remove the cover here on the actual air filter, so you have more access for this side here. Same thing on this side here as well. Just a few coolant hoses to be removed as well on this car here. Move the bottom reservoir out of the way so we can actually get to the bottom one here as well. And the brackets for the engine harness, because it's very hard to pull it out. Yeah, so we just quick video to show what we're doing. Spark plugs. After this, we're gonna do the actual gearbox service as well. We've got the filter and we've got the gearbox oil from Porsche as well. So you got to be very careful when you do PDF oil change, because Macan gearbox, PDK gearbox oil change oil is actually different from the actual 981, like this one here. 981 oil is different from the Macan oil, so you can't mix those oil together. So you got to make sure what part number it is. So always ring up Porsche if you're not sure. But it's very important when it comes to gearbox service to put the correct oil into the car. Anyway, so we've done the actual major service. We are doing a major service on this car here. So spark plugs, air filters, gearbox service, pollen filters, a lot of stuff's got to be done. So we need it there. We can probably finish this today and go for a road test, and we can double check it on Monday again. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.